You might have seen some commercial ads in the internet created using artificial intelligence and wondered how to create such ads easily. Then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can create professional commercial ads for any product. It might be for the existing product, it might be for the new product, using Google's VEO3 and ChatGPT instantly. So I will share the step-by-step procedure. I will create these ads from scratch. So just follow with me and do whatever I do here. I will also share the prompt that you should use, and I will also share how to use that prompt. The first and foremost thing, like, you need to know your brand. Let's suppose I need to create a commercial ad for my chips brand or cool drink brand. First of all, we need to have a logo for that. Let's suppose, like, I need to create an ad for my cool drink brand. So the name of that is Y Cool. Let's name it Y Cool. So initially I need initially I need to logo initially I need a logo for that. So I'm asking, create a logo for my cool drink brand Y Cool. Um, so I'm asking Gemini to create a logo for my brand Y Cool. That's it. Now I have my logo. I'm just downloading this logo. Let's create another logo for maybe another brand. Let's suppose I want another logo. Create a logo for my chips brand Y Chips. Maybe it's millet chips. So now I have logo for Y Chips as well. So I have two brands now. Now let's follow what I will do from now. So this is a prompt that we need. Like, I'm just copying this prompt and I'm pasting this in ChatGPT. I'm just pasting this prompt. So this is the only way we can create professional or cinematic ads. So we cannot directly do that by maybe asking in plain English. So this prompt is important. So what this prompt will tell, like, I just pasted this prompt on ChatGPT and ChatGPT is asking me three different things. First thing, please upload your brand logo or representative product image. So this is the first thing. Second thing, share a few brand or business details. And third thing, tell me the desired setting or environment. So now let's go with the cool drink brand. I'm uploading the logo that I have created on Gemini. So I'm uploading my cool logo here, and now I need to share some details. So I uploaded my logo and a prompt. So I have mentioned this is a fresh lime drink brand. The pet bottle should have this logo. I want it in a beach setting with the brand reveal in a bottle kind of thing. And I'm just copying the JSON prompt that ChatGPT gave me. And I'm just pasting that on Gemini. I'm also adding my logo as well. That's it. It will take a minute or two to complete the creation part too. Now the video. So this is cool, right? So whatever we wish, like, it's too commercial and looking like a professionally created ad. So let's try this for another brand called Y Chips that we have created. I opened ChatGPT and pasted the same prompt. I have uploaded the logo of Y Chips and I'm asking, it's a millet chip brand called Y Chips. I want this in a traditional kitchen setting where a chips packet opens up and the millets floating around it. So I have pasted this. Now I will get the JSON prompt from ChatGPT again. Yes, it is. I'll just copy this and paste it on Gemini VEO3 again. So I'm uploading the logo of Y Chips here. That's it. Now again, let's wait for a minute or two. Now done, the video is ready again. So this is so cool, right? It's again looking like a professional looking commercial ad. So this is how you can create commercial ads using VEO3, and it didn't take even 5 minutes for me to create a complete brand reveal video from scratch. Created a logo using Gemini, and again I pasted the prompt template on ChatGPT, gave some details along with the logo, and again pasted the JSON on Gemini. That's it. These are the only 3 steps that I did, and finally I got the video that I wanted. So this is how you can create professional looking commercial ad using Google VEO3 and ChatGPT. Also given the prompt in the description that you can use to generate the JSON one. For such videos on AI, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any. If you want anyone else to know about it, please make sure you share the video with them. Thank you for watching.